Alright, we're recording here. Just going to do a couple of quick little video updates here, just demonstrating the new 5-coil drive system with the 10-magnet rotor. I already did make a video of it, but I think I'm just going to start fresh here. Anyways, I'm going to demonstrate this thing running just on a single wind drive. The drive coils are just one single wind around the loop in series. I've also discovered there's only one location where the Hall sensor seems to work as a proper timing device, which is what I would consider after top dead center if the motor spins this way, right, going in this direction. So we're looking at after kind of a top dead center sort of a thing here. So no helper magnets, just one wind of drive coils. The secondaries are connected and they are hooked up, but I'm not going to be running the load on it. I just want to demonstrate the motor running just on its own without helper magnets, as you can see. The next video will demonstrate with the helper magnets, and then I'm going to make another video where I'm going to rewire the drive coils into full bifilar mode and see what that does. I haven't done that yet. So anyways, I'm going to quickly fire this up here. Oh, and another thing too, I wanted to explain something. For some reason, in order to get this motor running, it will not start with the current meter on the low scale of 200 milliamps. I'll demonstrate that right now if you want. Spin it up, turn the power on, and it does not want to go until you move it over to the 20 amp. And I guess you have to adjust that just a titch too. So you can see the current meter displaying obviously what I would consider an erroneous value. But now once the thing does get started up, you can disconnect it very temporarily and switch that over to the more accurate scale. And as you can see, we're running around 53 milliamps, and the motor's not really running all that fast, but you can adjust the Hall sensor, move it in a little bit, and we will pick up speed. We will drop a little bit of current there. Once this thing settles itself out, runs for about a half an hour, it will roughly stabilize at around 28 milliamps and about 12 point. It can go as low as 12.8, but usually it'll tend to rise up to maybe about 13 max for a total of 360 milliamps roughly, and an RPM reading on it. This will be a little premature, possibly, because it likes to, kind of settle itself out. So let this camera focus here. Come on. Okay, let's see if I can get a reading here. There we go. Looks like it's saying 1500. Yeah, about 1500. It was a little higher than that before, probably because I had the Hall sensor in a slightly different position. It gets adjusted from time to time. Okay, so I think I'm going to try and keep these as short as possible. So that's it. No helper magnets. Single wind drive section. The next video will be with the helper magnets, and we'll see. Oh, look, the current's gone down a titch. That's probably why it's running at only about 1500. I do believe if I pull this in even a little tighter where you're back up to that, close to that 28 mark, and you can already hear the motor starting to speed up somewhat, so I think that's probably where I had it a little bit closer there. Anyways,